I'm here in Kent with KEYNOTE, an amazing trust full of wonderful people who have put on a day today to celebrate their everyday heroes, 90% of which have never been to a conference before. It's going to be a big one. And when we worked together to think about what we wanted to do, it was about pulling together a day that everybody could feel valued in. So I'm doing a keynote in the morning and then a workshop in the afternoon. Be prepared to be 10% braver. I'll see you in there. What could your life look like if you were just 10% braver? There is always room to be a bit more you. So I want you to own the truth about yourself. This is the truth about you. So thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for being awesome.
Her story is incredibly inspiring. The children that we're teaching and supporting could be going through similar things, and the impact that we have on them and their future lives. It's the most humbling but incredible sort of feeling to have.
We were all crying. Yeah. Sobbing. It was amazing to listen to. Like the idea of going away and saying, yeah, I actually do change lives, because I think actually, yeah, we do. So many little lives in our classroom that we are impacting every day. So one little smile, one little "you're amazing" could change their whole life, and that is what we do.
We thought about who would really have impact on our pupils' lives, and actually we all agreed it would be Jazz, so we picked her as our key speaker.
And she's been so successful because she's made everyone laugh, she's made everyone cry, but I think every single person's connected with her.
She's done a wonderful job.
She's going to be a hard act to follow.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my gosh, I am overwhelmed. What an incredible event. You know, I've never been so inundated before with people queuing for books, and just to say thank you. People have been saying how they are ready to be 10% braver, also how they've had similar experiences but they're not going to let it define them, and people saying, I am going to have more confidence in myself. So thank you, KEYNOTE, and thank you so much for making me feel so welcome. Until next year.